Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to speed up and optimize your Android phone just like new, using a few simple tricks. Step 1. Clear storage and cache. First, open Settings, then scroll down and find Device Care. In Device Care, tap on Memory. Then tap on Clean Now. Remove junk files, cached data, and temporary files. This will instantly free up space and make your phone faster. Step 2. Turn on Battery Saver mode. Next, go to Settings and scroll down, find Battery. Then tap on Battery. Then hear Battery Saver and turn it on. It limits background apps and helps your phone run smoother while saving power. Step 3. Uninstall unused apps. Now open Settings and find a Device Care and tap on. Then tap on Storage. Here, tap on Unused Apps. Then selected Unused Apps. Then tap on Uninstall. Uninstall apps you don't use. These apps take up memory and slow down your system. Step 4. Reduce animation speed. Here's a secret pro tip. Go to Settings, About Phone. Tap on Software Information. Tap Build number 7 times to unlock developer options. Then open Developer Options and find Window Animation Scale, Transition Scale, Animator Scale, and set all of them to 0.5x. Your phone will feel lightning fast. And that's it. Your Android phone is now optimized, smoother, and faster than ever. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more quick tech tips.